In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add projects in Wrike in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Wrike or just want a quick refresher, this guide will help you efficiently set up your projects, ensuring your workflow remains organized and streamlined. Let's kick things off by getting you logged into Wrike. On the Wrike homepage, you'll find the login button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that to start the process. Once you're on the login page, choose the Google option to proceed. This option will allow you to select from the list of Google accounts associated with your device. Simply choose the account you use for Wrike and you'll be transported straight into your workspace. Now that you're in, it's time to locate your project. Find the section with the list of your projects. Within this section, you should see 3 dots next to the project you wish to work on. These dots are your gateway to additional options and settings for that specific project. Click on them and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look out for the Add Item option. Clicking on Add Item will open up further possibilities for you. Among these options, you'll see Project. Select Project, which will bring up a new dialog box where you can enter details for your new project. At this point, you're going to need to give your project a name. The project name is crucial as it allows you and your team members to easily identify and refer back to it. Try to keep the name both meaningful and concise, reflecting the core objective or outcome of the project. Once you've typed in a suitable name, turn your attention to the bottom right corner of the dialog box where you'll see the Create button. Finally, click on Create, and just like that, you've added a new project to Wrike. This project will now appear in your list of ongoing folders, making it easily accessible for you and your team. You can start adding tasks, assign responsibilities, and even set deadlines, all within this newly created project. Wrike's intuitive interface allows for seamless project management, helping you keep track of progress and ensure all team members are aligned with the goals. And that wraps up our quick guide on adding projects in Wrike. By following these simple steps, you'll enhance your productivity and collaboration within the platform. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and helpful. Thank you for joining and happy organizing.